Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Taylor Swift's face in Dress to Impress. Now, you can change the lips to either this one or the closed one. What she does is pose when she was on the Eras tour. From what I've seen, I actually haven't seen it in real life, but for the eyes, we're going to use these ones over here. It's like kind of down here, and then I colored it this color B7C9D4. For the eyebrows, I use these ones. Where is it? Okay, so it's the third one on the top, and I didn't color it. Then for the lips, you can either use this one, or you can also use this one as well. Wait, no, it's not this one. Where was the... Oh, this one. You can also use this one. And then I just did this for the contour. And then I did these two noses. So I used this nose first and then this nose on top. And that is it. That is how you can create Taylor Swift's face on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!